Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custom bra cups. First, accurately measure your bust and under bust. The difference helps determine your initial cup size. Also, consider your breast root width and projection for a truly custom fit. You will need a flexible measuring tape, paper, and a pencil to begin this exciting journey. Now, let's draft your unique pattern. Begin by drawing a basic cup shape using your measurements. Divide this into 2 or 3 sections like a 3-part cup to achieve optimal shaping and support. Remember to add a consistent seam allowance, typically 1/4 inch, to all edges. Carefully refine the curves for a smooth, professional look. With your pattern ready, it's time to cut your fabric. Select suitable materials such as Duoplex or a stable knit for durability and support. Cut 2 mirror image sets for each pattern piece, ensuring precision. Mark all notches and dots accurately on the fabric pieces. For extra support and comfort, consider adding a soft lining fabric to your cups. Finally, let's sew and finish your custom cups. Stitch the individual cup pieces together using a straight stitch, maintaining your 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the seams open or to one side for a clean, professional appearance. Attach the completed cups to your bra band or frame. Try on your bra and make any small, final adjustments for a perfect, comfortable fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.